what we're going to start with today
is glue. Loves me. I like that song there. Do you want me to sing it again? Yeah. I wanna dance with somebody. I wanna feel the beat with somebody. With somebody who loves me. Is that good, Mom?
That was excellent.
My brown hair. I'm a big boy.
You're a big boy.
Because we highlighted it. I can't see there. Ask me. Here. Shaving
cream.
Oh, you can't get it
I know
out.
you're supposed to do about equal amounts, but I like to do extra. It makes it super fluffy.
Can you help me?
I sure can.
You sure can. With somebody who loves me.
We just got done watching the House Shack Sisters. I'm sorry if I'm saying that name wrong. They love their music videos.
We love it. We put it on every day. Right? Yeah.
Okay, so we're going to start mixing that in. Okay, 3/4 of a tablespoon of baking soda.
Baking soda. Very funny. I use it so bad. I can't do it though. Girl.
So 2 tablespoons of cornstarch.
Yep.
Okay, 2 tablespoons cornstarch here. Okay, mix. Okay, so I have TLC body butter base. I get this from Rustic Essentials. We love them. That is also where we get our scents from. I'm going to just do a tablespoon of this body butter base in our slime. Makes it super soft. Now we're going to put in our color. So for color, we can use a few different things. We have food coloring. Food coloring works really well. Finger paints actually work really well. That way you know for sure that they're non-toxic and that kids can be touching them. Something else we've used to color our slime is mica minerals, which we get from Rustic Essentials. So I'm going to add this to Linnea's because she likes really pink slime. So we're going to be putting scents in these. We get our scents again from Rustic Essentials. Okay, so Emma wanted the scent whipped cream. Keenan picked pearberry. Linnea picked red lipstick, which smells just like cherry.
Obi. I love this.
Alright, so we got pretty much everything in our slime except for the activator. So for our activator, we like to use contact solution. I like to use this instead of pure borax because it's a little easier to control. Then you don't end up with rubbery slime. Okay, so we like to just put in a few drops, a little bit of a squirt at a time. And when you start mixing it, it kind of starts to get a little bit gooey.
Did you pop here?
And it's kind of harder to stir.
It'll eventually get to the point where she's not going to be able to do this with a stick anymore. She'll have to get her hands in there. But we like to get it a little more activated before then. Okay, when it gets about to this point, this is when we need to kind of get our hands in it. Too much activator in at once. If you do, it will end up rubbery before it has fully activated.
Yeah. Whoa! Big, big. Thank you for letting us teach you how to make our favorite slime. For more fun videos, please subscribe and give us a big thumbs up. We love you guys. Bye.